Today, we're diving into some of the coolest and most mind-blowing construction tech that's set to revolutionize the industry in 2024. We're talking robots, augmented reality, exoskeletons, stuff that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually happening right now. Get ready to have your minds blown, because these advancements are not only super cool, but they're also going to make construction safer, faster, and more sustainable.
Imagine this. You design your dream home on a computer, hit print, and a giant robot arm starts layering concrete to build it layer by layer, right before your eyes. That's the magic of 3D concrete printing. This technology is already being used to create entire houses in a fraction of the time it takes using traditional methods. We're talking about drastically reduced construction times, less waste, and potentially lower costs. Plus, it opens up a whole new world of design possibilities. Want a curved wall? No problem. Intricate details? Easy peasy. One of the coolest things about 3D printing is its potential to address housing shortages. Imagine being able to quickly print affordable and sustainable homes for those in need.
Move over self-driving cars because the construction site is getting an autonomous makeover. Get ready for self-operating bulldozers, excavators, and even dump trucks, all working in perfect harmony, hopefully. These autonomous vehicles can work around the clock without breaks, which means projects get completed faster and more efficiently. But it's not just about speed. Autonomous vehicles can also improve safety on construction sites. With sensors and AI doing the heavy lifting, literally, there's less risk of human error and accidents. And here's the kicker. These machines are only getting smarter. With advancements in artificial intelligence, they're learning to adapt to different environments and work collaboratively with each other.
Remember when we said this was like something out of a sci-fi movie? Well, get ready for the AR experience. Augmented reality is taking the construction world by storm, giving architects, engineers, and workers superpowers. Imagine putting on a pair of AR glasses and being able to see right through walls. Okay, maybe not X-ray vision exactly, but with AR, you can overlay digital models onto the real world. This means you can visualize the entire project, including hidden pipes, electrical wiring, and structural elements, before a single brick is laid. Multiple team members can put on their AR glasses and virtually walk through the building together from anywhere in the world. They can make changes, leave notes, and troubleshoot problems in real time, all in a shared virtual space. This technology has the potential to drastically reduce errors, improve communication, and make the entire construction process smoother and more efficient.
Chapter 4. Smart helmets protecting brains and building smarter. Okay, safety first. But what if your hard hat could do more than just protect your head? Introducing the smart helmet, the next generation of headgear that's as smart as it is safe. These high-tech helmets are packed with sensors that can detect everything from falls and impacts to hazardous gases and even fatigue levels. Imagine a helmet that knows if you're about to pass out from heat exhaustion and alerts someone to help. Many smart helmets also come equipped with built-in communication systems, so workers can stay connected with each other and with supervisors off-site. All this data collected by the smart helmets can be used to improve safety protocols, identify potential hazards, and prevent accidents before they even happen.
Chapter 5. Drone Site Inspections, a bird's-eye view of the future. Drones are quickly becoming essential tools in the construction industry, providing a fast, safe, and incredibly detailed way to inspect buildings, bridges, and other structures. Imagine getting a complete 360-degree view of a massive construction site in just minutes, all from the comfort of your computer screen. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and even LiDAR sensors, drones can capture data that would be impossible or incredibly time-consuming to gather manually. We're talking about identifying structural weaknesses, mapping out terrain, and even tracking progress on large-scale projects. Drones can access hard-to-reach or dangerous areas, keeping human inspectors safe from harm's way. Be sent here.
Remember playing with Legos as a kid? Well, modular construction is kind of like that, but on a much, much larger scale. Imagine building a house, apartment building, or even a hospital by piecing together prefabricated modules, like giant building blocks. These modules are built off-site in a factory setting, complete with walls, floors, plumbing, electrical wiring. The works. Then they're transported to the construction site and assembled like a giant jigsaw puzzle. This approach has some major advantages. First off, it's way faster than traditional construction methods. Since the modules are pre-built, the on-site assembly process is much quicker, which means projects get completed faster and with less disruption to the surrounding area. Modular construction is generally more sustainable. The controlled factory environment reduces waste, and the modules themselves can be designed for energy efficiency and even disassembly and reuse in the future.
Have you ever wished you had superhuman strength? Well, in the world of construction, that dream is becoming a reality thanks to exoskeletons. These wearable robotic suits are like something straight out of a superhero movie, giving workers extra muscle power to lift heavy objects, operate tools, and perform physically demanding tasks with ease. Exoskeletons can provide support to the back, legs, and arms, reducing the strain on muscles and joints. This means workers can stay healthier, work longer, and perform their jobs more safely and efficiently. Some exoskeletons are designed for precision tasks, providing enhanced dexterity and stability for delicate operations. Imagine a world where intricate welding or precise demolition work can be done with robotic precision, reducing errors and improving quality. The technology is rapidly advancing, and who knows what the future holds. So, get ready for a future where construction workers are equipped with robotic exosuits, boosting productivity and making the impossible possible.
As we build the cities of the future, it's more important than ever to consider the environmental impact of our creations. That's where green building materials come in, the superheroes of sustainable construction. From self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks to bricks made from recycled plastic, the world of green building materials is full of innovation. We're talking about materials that are durable, energy efficient, and often made from recycled or renewable resources. Take, for example, bamboo. This fast-growing grass is incredibly strong and lightweight, making it an ideal alternative to traditional building materials like steel and concrete. Plus, it's a highly renewable resource that can sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The future of construction is not just about building bigger and taller, but about building smarter and more sustainably. And with the incredible innovations happening in the world of green building materials, that future is looking pretty bright.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.